What's happening, guys? You guys seem to enjoy this little breakout board that I made, and I've looked at your suggestions, and I think I'm going to take a couple of them, and we're going to design the next version of this. You know, just think if they would just get this built into the Arduino IDE, I'd be so much happier than having to figure all this MicroPython out. I know it's not that hard, but I know the C language, so programming with Arduino is just easier for me than trying to figure out this new language. So I'm surfing around all my technology news, and I come across this article on Tom's Hardware. Community adds Raspberry Pi Pico support to the Arduino IDE, and this is from 2 days ago. So I'll roll down through it. Earl F. Philhauer III's Arduino Pico is an Arduino core that enables all models of the Raspberry Pi Pico to be used with the Arduino IDE. Installation is a breeze. Okay. It does digital I/O, PWM, analog input, all the other SPIs, I2C, CAN, all that good stuff. So what do? Well, I guess we will click here and see what happens. Alright, so this takes us to the GitHub stuff. README. Core for all our P2040 boards. It uses a custom tool set with the GC12. I have no idea what that means. I'm not going to worry about it. So we just need to install it using the board manager, which is perfect. So I shall open up the Arduino IDE. Alright, so I've got the Arduino IDE over here, and then our instructions over here. In the dialog that pops, okay, go to Arduino File Preferences. In the dialog, Additional Boards Manager URL. Oh, right here. So we just have to put in this information. Okay. Hit OK to close the dialog. Go to Tools, Boards Manager in the IDE. Tools, Board Manager. And we were supposed to type Pico. Wow, there she is. Oh, and it takes us, okay. Let's install it. Well, it says it's installed now. So if I go to Tools, Board, Raspberry Pi Pico. Ta-da! Well, I guess we're going to need to do a little test sketch here and see if she works. Well, we've already got the OLED on there. This should work. The only thing I'm not certain about is it's because we have more than one IDE address on the board, and I'm not certain how this library works with it. So let's not do that particular sketch. Oh, look at this. Examples. Raspberry Pi Pico. Am I blind? Because I swear I just saw that. There it is. Fade. What do we got here? Let's see. This example shows how to fade the onboard Raspberry Pi Pico LED. So we have variable, setup, pin mode, LED. Oh. Do an analog right to it. Yeah, that should work. So back over to here, and we see uploading sketches. To upload your first sketch, you'll need to hold the boot select button down while plugging in the Pico to your computer. All right, we got the 2-camera thing rolling here, so you can see the screens and the thing. So there's the boot select button. I'll hold it down and I'll plug it in. Now I'll let go of it. And that brought up this window over here, which I knew that was going to happen. Let's see what this says. Nah, not bad, sure. Bootloader, okay, that's fine. All right, let's upload it and see what happens. Make sure everything's set. Board Raspberry Pi Pico, board serial, bug level, port. COM4, I guess. Hope that's where it's at. Get board info. Don't like that too much. Let's do a device manager here. I just want to see if it is actually COM4. I'm sure it probably is. I don't know. Intel Active Management Technology? Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. All right, let's upload and just see what happens. So we're compiling our sketch, are we? Okay, almost done. Still compiling. Updating or uploading, it says. I don't see anything happening on the Pi. Done uploading. Okay, so it says converting to UF2 output size, start address, flashing F. Well, do we have a flashing LED? Yeah, and it's working, it's fading. Good. All right, let's do another one just to make sure that it is working as we expect it to. And for this one, we'll just do the blink. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this a little bit here. Come here, you. So down here we've got on and off each at 1 second. I'm going to change that. Well, let's just upload it first. We'll see what happens. Uploading. An error occurred. No drive to deploy. See, this is why I wanted to do that. I was kind of afraid we might have to put it into boot mode every time we upload. So let's try it again. We'll see what we get this time. Says it's uploading. Okay. Do we have a blink? Yep. On and off for 1 second. All right, let's make it on. Put that down so I can type with both hands. We'll go a half second on. Half second off. I'm going to copy this. So we'll do that twice. And then for this last one, we'll make it stay off for 3 seconds. All right, let's see if it works. I bet you I'm going to have to do the boot select thing again. Yep. All right, let's try it again. Can't believe how slow this is going. But hey, I'm just happy that it works. Two flashes and off for 3 seconds. We're good. We are golden. So we've now got our Raspberry Pi Pico running through the Arduino IDE. So my next question is, when I plug this back in, will we still be in the Blink program? Yes. 1, 2, and then off. So the small fact that you got to hold down the boot selector is nothing. You know, this guy has done a great job of porting this to the Arduino IDE, and I can't thank him enough. Just like I can't thank you enough for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons, and a big thanks to Mr. Earl Philhauer Power for doing this. That's it. I'm out. Peace.